Hey guys, just Hunting Southern NZ here, and today I'm just decided to come out for a bit of a BMX ride down this what's it called, gravel road, and just down here in the farming area where I live. I'm probably not going to be doing many tricks today, mostly because this bike that I use is pretty heavy. About the only thing I can do on it is get a alright kind of bunny hop, and I can what's it called, a front wheel pop, that's it, which is pretty much just when you flick up the front wheel and you just it just helps to go over like logs or something. That's about it. Just two simple tricks. So I'll probably just go for a wee ride down here and take you along. Oh my god, this is so bumpy. Oh man. I'll be back with you guys when I get off this real bumpy old road. Right, as I was riding down the road, there's these plovers here, you can probably see them. Plovers roast catchers, I don't even know what one they are, to be honest. And there's the appearance of it, and then there's like a little baby one. That's not that small anymore, to be honest though, but there's like a younger one. That's been protected by the, oh crap, that's been protected by the parents. And the parents have been like swooping down at me. They're like, you want some? I'll give it ya. So they've been doing that. It's pretty annoying, to be honest. There we go. I'm going to see if I can ride past them. There we go. They shouldn't bother me too much anymore now. Righty, I think that's that problem solved. But you never know, they might decide to come for some revenge, try and get me. This isn't going to be a hunting video or a fishing video or anything like that. It's just going to be me with you guys riding my bike. I'll probably find something interesting to do. I don't know. So we're just riding down here. Going down to this dairy shed. Sorry if my camera gets a bit bumpy every now and again. This road's quite, well, not quite, it is really bumpy. And I'm trying to ride down one-handed as good as I can. But if I hit a big stone or some loose gravel, I have to put my second hand down to control the bike. So that's why she might get a bit bumpy every now and again. Alright, I'm just going to ride. I'm going to try to set the camera up and I'm going to ride down this bank. Be back with you guys soon. Right, I think I found the spot I'm going to put the camera. Right about... what? Crap. Dropping it everywhere. There we go. Perfect. Hopefully this turns out okay, because I don't really want to have to redo it. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, where to go down? Oh. Let's see if we can't. I'll try bunny hopper. Oh, that's steep. That's super steep. Alright, turns out, oh my leg, turns out that that's actually a bit steep, just a little bit. So, I don't know what to do now. Oh, I know what I'll do. When I get back to my place, I might work on the bike. Man, I'm picking up speed. Because I'm sitting down on the BMX right now. Oh god. So that makes it easier for me to film. But I don't ever sit down on this bike. I always stand up. It feels so weird to sit down on it. Oh crap, there's someone crippled. You guys probably saw me scoot all over the side of the road. Oh, there's some more. It's so weird to ride sitting down. It does not feel right at all to sit down and ride. Oh man. Oh crap. Oh. I think I held that pretty smooth. Seeing as I had a big stone and then that stone pushed me straight into loose gravel, I think I held that pretty good. Oh god, oh god. Oh, the plovers are back. Oh, they think they're big. Those plovers think they're big. Oh, oyster catchers. I'm probably going to get told by someone, comments or something saying, Alex, there's a plovers. Oh, oyster catchers, one of them. Oh. Go away, I know that they're one of them. I just don't know which one they are. Right. Oh, that felt dodgy. Right, I'm going to pause it here because there's someone coming with a car and I don't want to have to blow out the number plate because that takes too much work. Alright, turns out they just pulled up this driveway here, so I didn't have to edit too much of the video. Whew. Just about 15 seconds that I have to take out with my crappy old laptop. Oh god, lose my... Oh, I lost the pedal. Good thing about BMX bikes is pedals, they don't move when you're not pedaling. Whew, thank god for that, I would have been probably falling off. Oh man. We're nearly back on Tasteel, which means... Oh Jesus. Hold up. We're getting closer back to my place. Which means I'll be able to work on my bike soon. And it also means, now that we're on Tasteel, I can probably push bike a bit faster. Don't expect anything too good out of this video. You'll see some cows. You'll see me chilling now. Front bars. Just drifting around the road. Scooting around. Going pretty slow actually. Oh man, I'm going really slow. Oh wow, I'm slowing down so much. Try to get the pedaling back. Oh, I found the pedal first try. First try. Shot braille skates. First try. Or Braille skates, whatever the hell you pronounce it. One of them. Alright, I'll be back with you guys when I'm up in my shed and working on the bike. I'm just going to wheel the bike up the rest of the way to the shed because that way it's easier for me to record. Oh man, here she is. Pretty untidy to be honest. Not clean at all. What can you do? What can you do though? Right, so I think the first thing I'm going to work on is going to be my chain guard because, oh, I thought there was a massive cat in the garage for a second there, it's just my dog. Her head popped out and all I saw was black and I thought it was a big black cat. It's not though, it's just my dog. I'm going to try and remove this, but the way they've built it has got it so... Oh wow, good job me. Oh, if you guys are wondering about what helmet I'm wearing, it's pretty dirty because I haven't worn this helmet in ages because I don't really wear helmets when I ride. But it is a Diamondback with some, you know, custom stickers there. Those are custom. These aren't, they came with it. These are custom though. It's pretty mad. But as you can see here, the way they've built the chain guard is behind the pedals and the chain there. So it's like the bolt is on the other side as well. These could probably break off, to be honest. I have to try, I don't know, maybe I could get it through, but I don't think so. We'll try everything though. Time to get the toolbox out. Righty, I hope she's recording. Yeah, we are, we're good. Wait, is it? Yes. Righty, here we go. Ah, so she's a screw. Oh god. There we go. That's better. Right. Get these cords out because I'm not listening to music anymore. Put these over here. Right. Phillips. Please be Phillips. Hold up, hold up. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold up. Hold up. Still good? Right. What's up? What little Phillips? Little Phillips. Wow. Oh wow. Here. Right, where are we? Okay, yeah, let's see that. Okay guys, well I was for like 10 seconds trying to get that off. I just thought of something. This is going to be a separate video actually. Oh, we can try some water bottle flips though, before we do. Me working on my bike is going to be a separate video. Because that's going to take too long to all put into one video. So that'll be a separate one. There's my other bike there. Not bad bike. That's going to be a separate video because that's going to take way too long. Try and do that by all in one video. So that's going to be that. I might try a few water bottle flips before we leave. So fill this water bottle up a wee bit and we'll try some. We're beginning to fill it up. I don't know how far this needs to go, but I'll just go until I think it's right. Okay, if any water bottle flip pros are watching the video, tell me if that's right, because I have no clue. Alrighty, cap is on. Light is on, so now you can see. Time to try some flips, eh? Let's try, like, land it there. Let's try it. From back. Just in front of this cardboard. Behind it, sorry. Oh no, not that one. Not gonna lie, a bird just flew out when I was getting the bottle and it actually almost made me crap my pants. That gave me a hell of a fright. Oh man, my heart's racing. Dang, it gave me a fright. Here we go. Oh, I got it! That was like third try. Let's try a different place. Okay, straight up one onto the ground. Second try. Oh my god, second try. Wow. And the bottle's still perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Let's try to find another spot we can do one. Shall I try to do it into here? On my bike? Oh wow, if I get this. Oh wow. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.